My name's Aaron Lindholm with Veloci Performance Products. We're here today at SEMA 2021. Very excited to have Mat Tessier in the booth with us today. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, for me, I'm an off-road racer as well as a mechanic, fabricator, all the above. For me, I need to keep my car clean, so your product saves me so much time on the track. Not only at the track, but also at the shop.
That's awesome.
Because all my customer cars, now instead of spending 8 hours on a car pressure washing, now I can only spend 2 hours. Because now with the foam cannon, it eats all that dust up, good to go.
Yeah, the biggest question I always get is why? Time savings. That's always the answer.
Thing, yep.
So, and tell me why the PF22 foam cannon is your cannon of choice.
For me, it's the quality of the product. I mean, it's solid. I've been using it for 4 years now. I haven't changed the element. I know you guys told me to, but I haven't had any issues. I just keep rinsing it out with water. Every time I use it, it's good to go. And the dispersion of the foam beats any other product on the market.
Awesome, great to hear. And tell me what the one product is that you can't live without that we sell.
For me, it's got to be that Aqualine rubber tip nozzle, because every once in a while when I'm rushing some stuff, I may not fully engage the tip in there, and you go to shoot it, and it's a nice little dent in the side of my own truck, as well as my race car a couple times, and having that rubber guard on there saves a lot.
Absolutely, man. So appreciate the time, and
thanks for having me out.
Absolutely.